i35equipment.com. This is the John Deere 350D LC hydraulic track excavator. This is the long arm or long stick package. Great for cleaning out ponds or lakes, dredging, really deep digging. Get you next to your pond to where you can dig without sinking in. Welcome you to come and bring your mechanic, operator with you, or hire some local ones to accompany you if you prefer. However, it's shown by appointment only. So please give us a call to get on the calendar. Our phone number here is 405-833-6437. If you'd like a hauling quote, we send equipment all over the country, so again, ship to you should not be an issue. Just fill out the form on our website. We'll be happy to look into that for you. Machine runs and operates good. It does have that 72-inch bucket. We do keep a large inventory of new and used buckets, so if this one doesn't match your needs, we may have one that'll work for you. You can always see our full inventory of buckets online at www.i35equipment.com. Or if you're interested in getting a thumb put on it, we do have an inventory of new thumbs. Those are on our website as well. Who has idle heavy equipment, please share our information with them. We specialize in consignment and bank repo equipment sales. We'd be happy to discuss our consignment service with them. Check out the undercarriage and the bucket, give him an opportunity to climb out, and then we'll hop up in the operator station and show you the interior. Fisheye lens, give you a good view of the interior. You see it does have the two working work lights on the cab. Feel that cold working air conditioning already. Currently sitting at 636, almost 636 listed at. Take a second and check this radio and see if it's working. Working radio. Working horn. Appreciate you taking time to watch this video. As always, you see our full and up-to-date inventory online at www.i35equipment.com.